Shri Ashok Khare has, on the other hand, supported the reasons given in the judgment. He submits that the legal position has been fairly explained by learned single judge, namely that the selection process must be concluded in accordance with the service rules as are prevailing on the date of the advertisement. There were no such circumstances which could have validly persuaded the state government to cancel the selections. The unfortunate death of one of the candidates was on account of lack of medical facilities, that there was nothing in the interim order passed by learned single judge to have cancelled the selections. He submits that the decision was political in nature in as much as in the middle of selection process a new government had taken over which did not want selection process initiated at the time of old government to continue. The decision was neither informed with relevant material nor reasonable. Shri Ashok Khare further submits that under the executive instructions prevailing prior to the enforcement of the rules of 2008, the run in the physical efficiency test had to be completed almost within the same time. The death of one of the candidates out of more than 30,000 who had participated could not be a ground to cancel the entire selections, as the death could have taken place in circumstances other than the stress of the test. The state government did not take into consideration nor held any inquiry into the medical condition of the person who had died participating in the exercise. He may have been ill or suffering with any disease or in a condition in which he should have been advised not to take the test. He submits that it is difficult to comprehend that the standard of physical efficiency test would be lowered in case of selection in civil police and PAC, where a higher level of physical efficiency is required for the training and in the job than in any other service. Para. Learned Standing Counsel appearing for the state appellants submits that the state government is competent to frame rules or to make any amendments in the rules. The Fifth Amendment to the rules made in the year 2013 revising the standard of physical efficiency test was not challenged. The state government did not act arbitrarily in cancelling the selections and to re advertise the recruitment under the amended rules. The arbitrariness or unreasonableness by itself was not a ground to challenge the decision of the state government to cancel the selections. He submits that where the state government was satisfied that the operation of any rule regulating the conditions of service of persons appointed to service will cause undue hardship in any particular case, it may, notwithstanding anything contained in the rules applicable to the case, by order dispense with or relax the requirements of that rule to such extent and subject to such conditions as it may consider necessary for dealing with the cases in just and equitable manner. Over.